What's going on YouTube? Modeling up back at you with a build reveal video for the Verlinden Productions Waist Gunner Down vignette. So as you can see, I got the figures completed on up, went ahead and took a look and decided to go against putting in the radio wires and stuff like that. Like it's detail that I think might add to it, but could become a little bit overwhelming, just kind of muddy up the vignette as a whole. So as you can see, got everybody all in and complete. Go ahead and zoom in on them here. Sorry about the focus. So as you can see, got everything completed and finished on up. Got the faces painted. Again, under the hyper magnification of the camera, makes it look a little bit, I guess you could say, not as appealing and just kind of humanistic as it actually looks in person. So yeah, overall, like the outside, went ahead and added just a little bit of powdered weathering just behind the window there. And moving on around, see, it's kind of a side shot in here. Yeah, shot of the second waist gunner here. So as you can see, again, just to kind of give a little bit of a size comparison to you guys. So this is like I believe a 6-inch rule. Yeah, it's a 6-inch little slide rule thing, and so it's only about 4 inches tall, so relatively small. Or yeah, because it's just an inch rule, but yeah, overall, absolutely love the build. Went together a lot smoother than I thought. Again, first time working with a 100% resin kit, or at least the first time in a very long time, I should say, having worked with them and stuff like that. But yeah, the overall quality of the molding was good. Didn't have any air pockets to fill or anything crazy like that. Overall, build went really smooth. And so, yeah, not much else I can say. Again, most of the build process and stuff like that has been cataloged to this point. So I'm going to try to get some pictures from outside, natural daylight with it, and then get those uploaded to Facebook. So if you guys want to check me out over there, I have the link in my profile so you guys can check me out on Facebook. That's usually where I'll post any photos of the builds and stuff like that. Any videos, obviously, I just post here. So, yeah, hopefully you guys have enjoyed the series, and I should be posting kind of a part 1 to my next build. Just to give a little teaser for those who are curious what my next build is going to be, I'll go ahead and just kind of drop that into frame here. That's a white walled tire. So going back to an auto kit for my next build. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed this build series again, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.